You can now make that stubborn pap with ease. In this guide, you will find out the major cause of water running pap and silly pap and everlasting solutions to that. Actually, pap is falling your hand because you did not understand it, and that is why this video. Watch it till the end and learn. You'll be needing some pap. It's either you buy it from the market or you make it yourself. In case you want to know how I come about this pap, I already have a video on that. In that video, I processed pap from start to finish, and I also preserve it for up to 6 months using a natural method. So, linking the video either in the description box or at the comment section. So once you have your pap, add a little water and begin to dissolve. You can dissolve with your spoon, spatula, whisker, anything at all you know that can be able to dissolve this properly without having any form of lumps. Most of the problem you can encounter in pap making is lumps, running or watering pap, and uncooked pap. Pap being runny and watery can be caused by 2 reasons. Number 1, failure to dissolve your pap with thick consistency. Number 2 is the nature of your cereal, whether corn, guinea corn or millet. You should know that freshly harvested grains has lots of water content that reduces starch composition. In such case, if you are not careful in your mixing, the pap will show you shege with a sprinkle of dambroba. And people will begin to wonder if you know how to cook at all. And that is why I preach that you should mix your pap too thick, because you do not have the instrument to analyze the starch content of your pap before making, okay? Especially the pap you bought from the market. After proper dissolution, now I'll be pouring in my hot boiling water. Yes. Now at this point, watch out for gelation or gelatinization properties all around the surface area of the pap. You must be careful also while adding your water at this point so that your pap doesn't run, because if it runs at this point, it is entirely your fault and not the composition of your grain. Here is our pap, looking milky, silky, and well done. I'll be having mine with this meat pie, and I won't be taking sugar or milk or anything. I'll just add some ginger powder and have it that way. I want to believe with this video you can now explore your pap anywhere, anytime, without fear nor prejudice. So go and explore. Thank you for watching, and bye for now. See you in the next one.